What's up, everybody? So we're going to do one quick tip for today. I had a nifty little situation come up and use Ideamaker, holy cow, to solve this little problem. So we're going to talk about cutting it, growing it, and merging it. Sounds weird, kind of violent, kind of erotic, depending on what you weirdos are into. I don't judge, but here's what you're gonna do. So I had a need on a particular part, not this one, this is just my example part, but I had a need to basically grow the bottom portion of a part by about 5 or 10 millimeters because I was gonna print it and then make a mold and then cast a bunch of pieces. And I needed a little extra height in the bottom so that when you make your master and you pull your gold part out or your original part out, you have a little extra height so that you're not filling resin all the way to the tippy top of your mold and get some potential seepage. So, but I did not want to grow the whole thing and make it bigger, nor can you really just sort of grow it in the Z axis because that skews the whole thing up, that stretches all of your triangles, the whole mesh in one direction or another, and it was not going to work for me. So this is what I did. Here's what we're going to do. Cut it. We're going to cut it first. So, example. So if I did do the scaling just in the Z, let's say I wanted to just grow the base by 10 millimeters, from 26 to 36, doink, it grows the whole thing. Makes them look weird, and that's not what I wanted. So let's reset this. Let's free cut first. So we're going to free cut and come on down, and I'm going to say just, I'm going to cut them 2 millimeters above the build plate, so you can see that's where my plane cut is if you're Mesh Mixer fans. And by the way, you can do this in Mesh Mixer, I know, but it was easier, and this took significantly less time for me to do this in Ideamaker than it did in Mesh Mixer. So anyway, I have 2 millimeter plane cut, start cut. So now you can see I have two sets of boxes here. So I've got the top model and I've got this bottom model. So the bottom piece is what I want to grow, but first I want to move this guy out of the way. So let's move him. Instead of 2 millimeters off of the build plate, I'm going to move him to 12 millimeters off of the build plate. So now I have a 10 millimeter gap in between the top of this model and the bottom of this model. So let's go down here and let's go to scale now this one. And I'm not going to scale this uniformly. I only want to grow this in the Z. So I now want my height from 2 to 12. Doink. So now he is merged, or not merged just yet, but he is in line and fully grown. He has grown himself longer tentacles. Weird words tonight. And so now, but you are still left with two models. You still have this bottom model and you still have this top model. So now we're going to do the third thing, which is merge. So we're going to do click the top, shift, click the bottom, and we're going to go to model and merge selected. There you go. Now it is all one model. The only difference is that we've grown that bottom portion by 10 millimeters. Now you may have some manifold edges over here. If you get that, just hit the repair button and it'll go through its little repair process, and my computer takes a couple of minutes, so I ain't touching it. Not during the video, but feel free. And so there you go. Cut it, grow it, merge it. Weirdos. There you go. There's your quick tip for the night. Thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. Thanks a lot. See ya.